How's it going? How's it going?
最近怎么样？
How have you been? How have you been?
你最近过得怎么样？
What have you been up to? What have you been up to?
你最近都在忙什么？
It's good to see you. It's good to see you.
很高兴见到你。
It's been a while. It's been a while.
好久不见了。
How's your day going? How's your day going?
你今天过得怎么样？
How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
你周末过得怎么样？
Did you do anything fun? Did you do anything fun?
你有没有做什么好玩的事？
What are you up to today? What are you up to today?
你今天准备做什么？
Do you have any plans later? Do you have any plans later?
你晚点有什么安排吗？
That sounds good. That sounds good.
听起来不错。
That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun.
听起来挺有意思的。
That makes sense. That makes sense.
这样说得通。
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
我明白你的意思。
I totally get it. I totally get it.
我完全能理解。
I feel the same way. I feel the same way.
我也有同样的感觉。
Exactly. Exactly.
没错。
That's true. That's true.
确实是这样。
You have a point. You have a point.
你说的有道理。
I never thought about it that way. I never thought about it that way.
我以前还真没这么想过。
Really? Really?
真的吗？
No way. No way.
不会吧？
You're kidding. You're kidding.
你开玩笑吧？
That's crazy. That's crazy.
太夸张了。
That's interesting. That's interesting.
这挺有意思的。
Good for you. Good for you.
真替你高兴。
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
我为你感到高兴。
That's great to hear. That's great to hear.
听到这个真好。
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that.
听到这个我很难过。
That must be hard. That must be hard.
那一定很不容易。
Are you okay? Are you okay?
你还好吗？
Do you want to talk about it? Do you want to talk about it?
你想聊聊吗？
I'm here if you need me. I'm here if you need me.
如果你需要我，我一直都在。
Take your time. Take your time.
你慢慢来。
No pressure. No pressure.
不用有压力。
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
别担心这件事。
It's all good. It's all good.
没事的。
Things happen. Things happen.
这种事难免会发生。
It is what it is. It is what it is.
事情就是这样。
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
我们会想出办法的。
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
我不确定。
I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet.
我还没决定。
Let me think about it. Let me think about it.
让我想一想。
I'll have to check. I'll have to check.
我得先确认一下。
It depends. It depends.
这要看情况。
Maybe. Maybe.
也许吧。
Probably. Probably.
应该吧。
I don't think so. I don't think so.
我觉得不是。
I hope so. I hope so.
希望如此。
I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see.
到时候再看看吧。
What do you think? What do you think?
你觉得呢？
How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it?
你对这件事怎么看？
What would you do? What would you do?
如果是你，你会怎么做？
Do you agree? Do you agree?
你同意吗？
Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
这样说能理解吗？
What do you mean? What do you mean?
你是什么意思？
Can you explain that? Can you explain that?
你能解释一下吗？
Could you say that again? Could you say that again?
你能再说一遍吗？
I didn't quite catch that. I didn't quite catch that.
我刚才没太听清楚。
Let me make sure I understand. Let me make sure I understand.
我确认一下我有没有理解对。
So you're saying we should wait. So you're saying we should wait.
所以你的意思是我们应该等一下吗？
That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant.
这不是我的意思。
Let me put it another way. Let me put it another way.
我换个说法。
I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
我明白你想表达的意思。
I agree with you. I agree with you.
我同意你的看法。
I agree to some extent. I agree to some extent.
某种程度上我同意。
I'm not sure I agree. I'm not sure I agree.
我不确定我是否同意。
I see it differently. I see it differently.
我的看法不太一样。
That's fair. That's fair.
这也有道理。
Fair enough. Fair enough.
可以理解。
You might be right. You might be right.
也许你是对的。
I hadn't considered that. I hadn't considered that.
这一点我之前没考虑到。
Let's not overthink it. Let's not overthink it.
我们别想得太复杂。
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
我们看看会怎么样吧。
We can decide later. We can decide later.
我们可以晚点再决定。
I'm good with whatever. I'm good with whatever.
怎样我都可以。
It's up to you. It's up to you.
你决定就好。
Either one works for me. Either one works for me.
哪一个对我来说都可以。
I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that.
我觉得这样可以。
That works for me. That works for me.
这样对我来说没问题。
What time works for you? What time works for you?
你什么时间方便？
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
你明天有空吗？
Do you want to grab coffee? Do you want to grab coffee?
你想一起喝杯咖啡吗？
Want to get something to eat? Want to get something to eat?
想一起吃点东西吗？
Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime.
我们改天一起出去吧。
Let me know what works for you. Let me know what works for you.
你看看什么时间方便再告诉我。
I'll text you later. I'll text you later.
我晚点给你发消息。
Keep me posted. Keep me posted.
有消息告诉我。
Let me know how it goes. Let me know how it goes.
到时候告诉我怎么样了。
Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon.
晚点聊。
By the way, I wanted to ask you something. By the way, I wanted to ask you something.
对了，我有件事想问你。
That reminds me of something. That reminds me of something.
这让我想起一件事。
Speaking of that, did you hear what happened? Speaking of that, did you hear what happened?
说到这个，你听说发生什么了吗？
Anyway, where were we? Anyway, where were we?
对了，我们刚才说到哪里了？
I almost forgot. I almost forgot.
我差点忘了。
Before I forget, one more thing. Before I forget, one more thing.
趁我还没忘，还有一件事。
I'm glad we talked. I'm glad we talked.
很高兴我们聊了聊。
It was nice catching up. It was nice catching up.
很高兴能和你聊聊近况。
Take care. Take care.
保重。
See you later. See you later.
回头见。